What is up, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're taking the Honda Grom up the mountain road. We're going to see if the Honda Grom is capable of riding up a mountain road. It is a 125cc bike with really small brakes. Yeah, we're going to be grading it on 1, if it completes the road, 2, how stable it feels on the ride up there, and 3, how the brakes feel. Because if you guys know, mountain roads, they could be pretty steep. On the downhill, they're definitely going to test the brakes. Let's get going. Here we go. It is 13-mile road, 3,300 feet of elevation that we're tackling today with the Grom. I have high hopes for the Grom, but I'm not sure if we're going to be able to accomplish it, because this road has some really steep roads. Let's see if the buddy here lets me through. Oh, he's going off-road. It's a good thing about having a mountain bike. Surprisingly, I'm not having a full throttle on these turns. So just to stay in the power band, I'm not having to do that. But this is a beautiful road with tons of twists and turns that will be pushing the Grom to its full potential. So far, we're doing about 30 miles an hour, and we're already pretty good distance up, so that's good. It's giving me high hopes for the Grom accomplishing the road. We're staying in it, we're staying in it, we're staying in it. Gotta let it off. This is like the straight part of the road, and 4th gear doing 40 miles an hour. Grom's feeling pretty strong. This looks like a tight turn. Probably gonna downshift to 2nd. Stay in it, stay in it. I feel like I'm going fast enough that I could keep cars behind me, you know? I wouldn't have to feel like I need to move aside for them. I'm doing a good speed. So that's good. I think that's actually pretty good. That's one thing I was worried, was just being stuck in like low 20s as my average speed. But so far, I'd have to say I'm in like the low 30s as an average speed. Look at that, guys. Beautiful road, and the Grom is conquering it. Grom versus the world. The main gear I've been in is 2nd gear. Looks like 2nd gear is the sweet spot. Comfortably taking speeds at like high 20s. I'm not pushing the bike either, guys. Like, I'm not going for a record. This is my first time coming up here in years. I don't remember the road. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy, guys. But I just wanted to push the Grom to see if we were anywhere near its limits. And so far, it looks like it's still in this comfort zone. The Grom's still doing really good. I haven't gone through a turn where I'm like full throttle 2nd gear and we're going nowhere. Like, everything's going pretty good, better than I thought it would. We're doing 35 on this incline, so I'd say we're doing really good. But by the looks of it, we're pretty high up, and I think we're actually close to the end of the road here. Road closed ahead. Okay. It's kind of weird because we're almost at the top and it's telling me that it's closed. Oh, we're getting passed by a bike. And he made it look easy too. And he dusted us. Yeah, looks like we're at the end. Couple of motorcycle guys. So it looks like the road is closed, but really this is where everybody hangs out. This is basically where I was planning on going, so I guess it works out. So was the Honda Grom able to conquer a mountain road? It was, and it actually did it very easy. So that's a thumbs up for the Grom. Now we have the downhill portion, which is really going to test the brakes of this bike. So let's get riding on the downhill portion, testing how it handles the downhill part. Here we go, downhill portion, but we're going uphill. I'm curious to what gear we're gonna have to stay in. Might have to be third. Since in the uphill we were mainly in second, I'm gonna go ahead and guess that third gear is gonna be the gear we're gonna be mainly in on the downhill. Brake a little. I'm gonna stay in third. I'm gonna stay in third, guys. Like I said, I'm not going for a record. I just want to see how the Grom handles it. Does it feel stable? Does it get sketchy a lot? Like, we kicked it up to fourth for the straight part of the road. Just kind of maintain speeds. But so far, I think the Grom's doing good. Just as good as the uphill. Maybe slightly not as good, just because the braking isn't as good as I thought it would be. But it could be because the brakes are already warm from the uphill portion. Like, we didn't really hang up at the top. We went top right back down to bottom. So didn't give the brakes much time to cool down. So like I said, we're pushing the Grom. I want to see the Grom's limit. And so far, I don't think we're even close. I think our average downhill is going to be maybe like 35. And that's going to be our average downhill speed. Should I bomb the downhill? Bombing it. 40. We're bombing it. Seagulls coming up ahead. Bomb it a little more. Alright. Ease off. So that felt actually really good. That little portion that we bombed, the gears actually feel relatively good. Like, I'm not constantly bouncing off a gear. I think third gear for the downhill is really good. Look, we're going 40 right now. Like, we're pushing it. Brakes feel solid. They feel okay. The brakes are handling very well. 15 miles an hour. So it's got to be a tight turn right here. Or actually, I think we're at the bottom. So how did the Grom do on the mountain road? Oh man, poor squirrel. How did the Grom do on the mountain road? Uphill and downhill. In my opinion, it did great. Definitely a fun spot to bring your Grom. We'll pull over right here. The Honda Grom versus the Mountain Road Challenge. Grom is victorious. So the Grom completed the challenge and it did it with ease. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.